I've marked up the script now based on viewing those first clips of the first section of the film, and I ran out of space on this side because I've got my storyboard in there. So what I've done is I've gone over to the left hand side again for the last take, and there was actually Slate 117 had 1 to 8 takes, and the camera numbers corresponded with the 0367 through to 0373, and then back here I got 0374. Now in 0373 it was okay, but at the very end the lighting changed, as in the camera opened up, so I wasn't overly happy with that. But the very final take, it said 0374, was actually good, and it's one that I could use in the editing, so I've actually marked it with a little star. Now again, I've used a black pen here, but it could be easier to use a different colour pen. I'll see if I can find another pen for the next section. I can see a green one there, and I'm going to stop again and continue marking up the rest of the script, and then we'll show you the script marked up with all the scenes.